Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Hopewell. Hopewell is a small town or district when you're driving from Montego Bay to Negril. It's a very populated area, but it's not as big as say Montego Bay or Lucy. So it's a small district. So we're going to take a tour through Hopewell today, and Hopewell is in Hanover. We are on the northern coastal highway. We just drove out of Montego Bay and we just saw a sign that says Hopewell 4 kilometers. So enjoy the tour as we drive through Hopewell. So on the right now you have a lot of restaurants, because to the right is the sea or the beach. So you have a lot of restaurants, those kind of things. And remember, between Montego Bay and Negril is a major tourist corridor. So a lot of tourists the tourists have to fly into Montego Bay when they're coming on the north coast. Okay, it says, see the sign here that says welcome to Hanover. We haven't entered Hopewell yet. Hopewell is in Hanover, but we were driving out of Montego Bay, which is in St. James. Right, so the tourists fly into Montego Bay, and then from Montego Bay they go to Negril, which is a major tourist destination in Jamaica. So this is the road they would drive on when driving from Montego Bay to Negril. It's about an hour drive, and this is the northern coastal highway. Now this road is going to be upgraded, and they're going to put in 2 bypasses when they're doing this section. They're going to put in a bypass for the town of Lucy. Lucy is the capital of Hanover, very busy town. It definitely needs a bypass. And they're going to put in a bypass for Hopewell, because Hopewell is also a very busy town. But the problem is it causes traffic delays when you have to drive through these towns. And because the tourists use the road so much, you don't want much delays. And a government official said that they want to fix this road because it shouldn't take longer to fly from Miami to Florida or from New York to Jamaica than it does to drive from Montego Bay to Negril. So it's an hour and a half flight from Florida to Jamaica, and sometimes it takes even longer than that to drive from Montego Bay to Negril, because when you have to go through Lucy, sometimes the town is congested and causes traffic delays. Alright, so here's a sign now, welcome to Hopewell. And then here's a sign that tells you Sandy Bay, Lucy, Green Island, Negril. Those are all the major towns along the route. So we're driving into the town center now. And you can see it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see that what the traffic is like. So can you imagine a big tour bus trying to get through here? So this is why they say Hopewell needs a bypass and Lucy needs a bypass. See how busy the place is. Alright guys, you see the line of traffic to go through the town. Definitely Hopewell needs a bypass. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated as we get more information on the upgrades. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.